Welcome to another edition of Mr. Krause's direction videos. This is to start you off on the Connecticut cross-section activity that we're going to be doing, where you are going to be ultimately building a bedrock cross-section around a state park in Connecticut that you've been assigned. So the first set of directions, you're going to open up this is your basic information, your first assignment. And once you open this up, you'll see that there's a link here, as well as the link to the YouTube video with this directions in it. You will click on that link. You will go visit the Google map that's been created of all the state parks that are being assigned for this activity. You're going to find your state park and zoom in some, and you're going to be using the measurement tool, which is built right in here into Google Maps. And I'm going to click on that tool, and I'm going to go find the center of my state park. So we'll use Gay City Park right here. And we're going to draw a 5-mile line as close as we can. 5.05, that looks good enough. And yeah, you'll notice if you don't double click when you do that, that it will keep trying to draw another line to measure out. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here because I want to make sure I get a big enough section when I do my screenshot here. So I'm going to do a screenshot, and I'm going to make sure I select a big enough area around my state park that I can be talking about the geography of the area as I move on to the next part of this activity. I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go to my Google Drive, and I'm going to open up a new drawing, more Google Drawing, and we'll give it a moment to load here. And then I'm going to paste my new screenshot into this drawing. Give it a moment, it's still loading. Paste it in. There it goes. Now we want to make sure that our picture is good enough to be used for class, so I don't mind dragging this out just a little bit bigger. And then we're going to select the circle tool, shapes, we're going to go down to circle. You're going to have to change the colors. And we're going to do the best we can to draw a circle the right size. That looks pretty close. So let's go and take care of the fill color. We'll make it transparent. I want to make the line color something that's easy to be seen on the map and probably change the weight of it so it sticks out a little bit more. And I'm using the crosshat, I want to see that lined up along the center. I don't want to see this lined up along the center. That looks pretty good. That's about 5 miles. That's about my circle. Let's click off the thing. That looks pretty good. We are going to give it a name. State Park Circle Map. And we'll make sure we have that saved. And we will be using this for the rest of our assignment. So now that I have it saved, I can go to my Google Doc that I've created. Following the directions in here, I've made a Google Doc. I'm going to insert this screenshot into the Google drawing. I'm going to draw the circle around it. I'm going to save the image. I'm going to insert this image into my document, and then I'm going to go on and answer these questions. Hopefully that got you through the steps of taking a picture from the Google Maps, putting it into Google Drawing, putting your circle around it so that it's clearly marked and identified, and then moving on to the next part of this, which is answering the questions based on the assignment and the activity given to you in class today. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully this all works out very well for you.